Hello, viewers. Welcome to your channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session, we are going to discuss a topic from Unit 3 of Social and Preventive Pharmacy, that is Pulse Polio Program. So, if you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important updates about pharmacy. So, when India started with the pulse polio immunization campaign in the year 2005, it was one of the biggest challenge. So, pulse polio is an immunization campaign established by the government of India to eliminate person and by vaccinating children under the age of 5 years against the polio virus. So let us try to figure out what was the history, what were the difficulties encountered during the program, what were the vaccination plans and symptoms, causes, and the immunization aims. Talking about the history of pulse polio, first recorded case of polio was from 5 years old boy from Syria whose history was carved 3000 years ago. So cleaner environment was supposed to be happening after that because it was found that polio was from the unhygienic environment. Then Americans thought that Italians have brought it since they live in small houses and slums. Then, further in the year 1789, British physician Michael Underwood provided the first description about polio. In 1840, German physician Jacob von Hahn published 78 pages monograph to describe the clinical features of polio. In 1908, Austrian physician Karl Landsteiner described that it is caused by a virus. And in 1936, Albert Sabin and Peter Olitsky cultured poliovirus in nervous cells. In 1954, John Anders got Nobel Prize for finding this virus in the muscle cells. Now, what were the difficulties encountered during the program? So, not only about the funding, political comments, weak infrastructure, lack of health services, no management of human resources, small sizes of the campaigns, and only some campaigns were conducted. Now, apart from that, the increasing frequency in the drops and the cases of polio caused many rumors that vaccination is not working and it is fake. Rumors were also spread that these polio vaccines are made up from dogs and pigs' blood. But later it was decided and found that there is no presence of the dogs and pigs' blood. There were no reported cases for polio several decades. However, vaccination is still important because polio still exists in other parts of the world. So, without vaccination, infections could easily return. All children should be vaccinated against polio. IPV, intravenous polio vaccine, is given in 4 doses. First dose in for 2 months, then second dose in fourth month, third dose between 6 and 18 months, and fourth dose between 4 and 6 years. So, some children may get a fifth dose as a part of their combined vaccine. So oral IPV, the Health Association of India first time decided to give the 3 to 4 OPV doses, oral polio virus. So OPV doses are the doses given by the campaign to the children under the age of 5 years. The full form of OPV is oral polio drops. The Health Association of India first decided to give 3 to 4 OPV doses, but later they decided every child should get 8 to 10 OPV doses. So if a vaccine child had diarrhea, then the chances of getting polio may be there. This is because the diarrhea virus is capable in destroying the polio vaccine. So most adults don't need polio vaccination since they were probably vaccinated as children. However, certain people are at a higher risk of infection. So polio virus, talking about the polio virus, it is by a virus. The polio virus is a member of large family known as the picornaviruses, rhinoviruses. So polio begins to enterovirus subgroup, which consists of 70 viruses of intestine. It is one of the smallest RNA virus. The incubation period is between 3 days, 2 days. Periods of communicability is 7 to 10 days. So favorable environment is the rainy season where it transmits faster. Talking about the aim of the program was to get completely replacement of the wild polio virus in the community. Also, it was planned to have an intensified pulse polio immunization program. All children under the 5 years should be vaccinated. Non-government organizations should be opened first. There should be 3 zones: low burden areas, middle burden areas, and high burden areas. Wild polio virus transmission is limited to a focal areas to interrupt the transmission of wild polio virus as soon as possible. These were the aims with this immunization program was being conducted. Now, if you see the future benefits for the polio eradication, it talks about the humanitarian, and by the year 2040, the plan is that to have the complete world free, in that polio has to be eradicated, so that no one suffers from the polio and the health remains in the safer world. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important informations related to pharmacy. Thank you so much.